Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you guys one of my favorite moves called the scorpion. I never made a dedicated video for this move, so today is the day. Before I start, remember to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. So let's start this move from the normal hook, okay? Now I'm gonna hook my right leg onto my left leg. So as you can see, it's a normal hook. Now from here we're gonna go into the next step, okay? So for the next step is we're just gonna bring our right leg out and keep it straight. Alright, one more time from the hook. Normal hook, second step, out. So for the next step, we're gonna bring our straight leg, which is our right leg, inward, okay? So how you're gonna bring it inward is by bringing up your hip and bending your right leg. Move it from front to the back like this. All right, one more time. Straight, bring your hip up, bend your right leg and bring it to the back and keep it straight. All right, moving on. Now the goal of this next step here is to turn all our upper body onto the right side, okay? So it looks something like this. Okay, so when your body is facing back to the front again, you're gonna finish it with another hook with your right leg to your left leg, which is, you can say, we're going back to the first positions again. One more time, we do it all the way from the top. Hook, open up, back, turn. So now I'm gonna do it slow. Hook. Now we're gonna add in speed, alright? So when you do it this faster, it's a lot easier and you save a lot more energy. Another variation that you can do with this move is to place your butt on the ground. Alright, I know it sounds weird, but you know, this is another variation that you can do. I will show you guys how it looks. So instead, starting our hook with our butt up, you can start your hook with sitting down. Alright, from here we're gonna do the exactly same step that I told you earlier. Open up, back. Alright, so when your right leg is going to back, there is a time where you bring your butt up from the floor. Alright, now we're gonna spin, and when we end the move, you can keep sitting back to the ground and do the hook. So there you go, my favorite transitions, especially for the footwork. You can see there are a lot of things you can do with this move. So try to get the feel, get the movement, get the flow first before you try adding it into your set. Alright, that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.